Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Futurs BSC Card. Let me just show you right now. You can get it on pre-sale on Pink Sale Finance and the pre-sale will stop in 1 day, 23 hours and 50 minutes. And as you can see, they are actually looking to get 50 BNB, but as of right now they already have almost 101 BNB. And if there is a lot of interest already at the pre-sale stage, this could be a good hint that this project could be really successful in the future, okay? So they are SEFU, they have been audited and KYC'd, I can just show you the audit really quick. It's passed, and so on, I mean, you can have a look at it in more detail if you want to, but let me show you actually what it is. Welcome to the Futurs BSC cards. Earn up to 11% BNB cashback every time you make an eligible purchase. That's really huge, guys. I would say 11% is a lot. And as you can see, in cooperation with Google Pay and Samsung Pay, hold and exchange crypto only when you are making payments. Spend with your virtual card immediately after receipt. So earn up to 11% BNB cashback every time you spend. This is really cool, guys. Lowest fees in the market. There are no card issuance fees, no registration fees, and no annual fees when using the card. All funds are SEFU, spend anywhere, anytime. So top up, how does it work? Top up crypto to your funding wallet, spend anywhere you see the Binance logo, earn BNB cashback. And there will also be NFTs. That's really interesting. I will also show you the white paper, but you can see the different levels. So level 1, if you get this card, the price is 7 ETH. As of right now, the price of Ethereum is about $1,700. So it's not really cheap, but you will get the daily price of $250. Level 2, there will be 40 pieces, price 2 ETH and daily price $75. Level 3, the price is 1 ETH, daily price $25. Level 4, 0.0 ETH, daily price $5. Level 5, 0.1 ETH and daily price $1, okay? The fee split are NFT rewards. You can see 5% tax on purchases and sales goes to NFT's wallet to distribute. Auto burn, 1% tax on purchases and sales is automatically burned, and auto liquidity, tax of 2% on purchases and 4% on sales goes to the liquidity pool. This is really cool to keep up the liquidity, okay? So let me show you guys. You can see introduction, as I've told you before, up to, you will get 11% cashback, that's really nice. And let me show you the cards. I mean, I told you there are different levels of cards, and altogether there will be 1,000 unique NFT pieces that will give the holder a daily income starting from $1 for the lowest level up to $250 for the highest level. That's a lot, I would say. $250, that's really nice. But of course, first of all, you have to invest 7 ETH, So that's what it looks like and how it works. I would say really interesting project because 11% cashback is a lot, guys. It's a lot. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.